the importance of sharing our spiritual experiences, those profound, magical, mystical experiences that we have, especially in connection with the natural realm. And I've learned of its importance for multiple reasons, but one of them is the more that we share it, the more that it moves from these hushed toned conversations, these one-off kinds of experiences, and it moves us deeper into the possibility. As humans, it's our birthright. We are wired energetically and physically, biologically, to be in deep relationship with all of the world around us, with other humans, with the natural realm. We are nature, and we're wired to have these experiences. And so the more that we talk about them, the more that we share them, the more commonplace they become. And that opens up the possibility for each of us to have those experiences, first of all, but to incorporate them into our lives in a greater way. And we're at a time in our evolution collectively that we need to be reminded. We need to be reminded of this interconnection and the force, the power, the possibilities that comes from that deep and profound connection and relationship with the world around us, all that's going on that is beyond that which we can see. It reminds us that we are these infinite beings embodied in these human forms. And the more that we move these conversations from those hushed tones and the being in the unbelievable into more of an integration into our everyday experience, into our experience as a human, it opens up possibilities and potentials for us individually and collectively. And we certainly can use more of that in the world today.